Okay, so I'm gonna vlog today. It is June 27. It's the Saturday before 4th of July, and my husband and I are going to install a huge flagpole so that we can hang an American flag and a Trump flag for 4th of July. So he's got the post hole digger on the tractor and we're gonna get started. Oh yeah, and we just got home from Ace where we bought a bunch of supplies. Here's our cement. Here's our really long PVC pipe. Really long. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna trip. There it is. How long is the PVC pipe?
Probably 20 feet.
20 feet, and then we got a galvanized steel pole. I think that was 12 feet. All right, let's go see this hole.
Tractor was, so I guess I could go down the hill and see if I can get it in.
Oh, like more?
Yeah, like with the tractor.
All right. To Ace, hold on, because they gave us the wrong size galvanized pipe. We asked for 1.5. They charged us for 1.5, but they gave us 1 1/4. So the pipe is way too loose when you put it inside the PVC pipe. So that's where we're headed, back to Ace to exchange a long pipe so we could get our flagpole going. Got the right size piping, and Joe is getting it all set up with the bungees, and we are getting out of here and we're gonna head home in just a minute, and yay, we got what we need. All right, time to get out of here. Long pole.
What?
I'm saying there's our long pole. All right, thick and the right size now. 1.5 inches, here we go. So the next thing that we're going to work on is hammering this pole, galvanized pole, down into the hole. get it down as much as we can. I'm probably not going to be able to film this because I think I'm going to be holding the level while Joe is pounding it down as much as we can get it into the ground. So I'll just check in with you when that part is done. Okay, so the pole is in the ground and we are going to do the next part, which is going to be pouring cement into the hole. Bit. It's about maybe half full of concrete, so we're gonna go get some more concrete from our neighbor who's got some and keep filling the hole. All the concrete is poured. It was just the perfect amount, and yeah, so now all that's left to do for that right now is let that dry, and yeah, I don't know what we're doing now.
Well, tomorrow we can put the pole on it and do the rope and all that.
Yeah, there's the pipe in the ground. The start of it, start of our flag pole. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the decorations I have done inside my house, and then I'm going to show you all the decorations I've done outside so far. So I'm going to flip the camera. 2 flags over by the stairs. I usually keep the couch there when the daycare kids are here, so I think that'll be fine. Up here, I did Happy 4th of July banner, and then all my red, silver, and blue, red, white, and blue stars hanging over the kids' table. I'll show you the other side, but I put stuff in all of the windows. We'll go outside too and look. All right. Now to show you my outside decorations, I have the, what you call them, little triangle decor up here with the anchors and the boat wheels. I liked it. It's very nautical, but it also has red, white, and blue, the flag, and some stars on the door. I put crepe paper down here. There's an eagle and a USA flag there. I got lots of stars in this window, and these are some firework art I made. My daughter and I made those with the daycare kids. They each made one, and then each daycare kid and my daughter made a flag with the handprint, and there's some more decorations and that window. So those are the windows outside, and I will show you some more. Let's see. I put crepe paper all on the railing, and then we have more triangle flags and the bunting, and all down here with the crepe paper. So that's my outdoor 4th of July decorations. Happy 4th of July. Okay, today is Sunday, June 28th, day 2 of making our flagpole. It is about, it's like 5:05 p.m. We've had a really busy day, I guess you could say, and now it is time to start working on our flagpole some more. The cement should be dry, and Joe is about to start drilling. gonna go back. Woohoo! That was, oh my gosh, it is so tall. Happy early 4th of July. Whoop, whoop. Wow. Yeah, we will. Take the video from this side, now you can read it. And there's our American flag and there's our Trump flag. So now 3 people on the end of our street have the Trump flags. Oh yeah. And there's our American flag. We did it. Here we go. Now Joe's gonna spread this extra dirt. How many feet was this? 20? 20-foot flagpole. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you like this vlog and this video, be sure to give a thumbs up. Whew! That was scary and a lot of work. I was scared someone's gonna fall off the railing or the ladder. A boat's going by behind me. Be sure to comment. Do you have an American flag flying? What are your decorations, I guess, for 4th of July? Oh, I showed you my inside decorations. I didn't get a chance. I had to take all the outside ones down last night because they were so windy. It was too windy. But maybe I'll try to add that in later on to the video. Make sure you share my videos and subscribe so you don't miss more videos coming your way very soon. Thanks so much for watching and I love you all. Bye-bye. There's the river behind me.